March 2025. Belgrade, Serbia. Thousands gathered in silence mourning 15 lives lost in a tragic station collapse. Then, without warning, a sharp, strange sonic sound tore through the air. Quick burst of distorted noise, crowd flinches. Some said it felt like a wave, others like pressure in their skulls. Nausea, panic, fainting. The crowd broke. Was it a malfunction, an echo, or a weapon? Experts believe it could have been a sonic weapon, a focused acoustic device meant to control or disperse crowds. Officials deny using anything like that. But human rights groups aren't buying it. The European Court stepped in, ordering Serbia to halt sonic crowd control tactics. The moment of silence turned into a mysterious signal, one that's still echoing through Serbia's streets and its politics. What broke the silence that night? And why?